Welcome to another day on the Journey Shechem. Please do the 2 warm-up questions to the best of your ability, and I'll see you soon. Number 1 is more practice on conversion factors. So in A, we have meters cubed, and I'm going to decimeters cubed. So decimeters cubed have to be in the top, and meters cubed in the bottom, so that they cancel. Now 17 is the same as 1.7 times 10 to the 1. And when exponents are in the top, then I add them. 1 plus 3 is 4. The answer is 1.7 times 10 to the 4th decimeters cubed. In B, I'm going into meters, so I need to know that there's 1,000,000 centimeters cubed and 1 meter cubed. These values must always be equal to one another. If they're not, there's something wrong with the conversion factor. So that's how you can check yourself right away to make sure this is a true statement. Now this number is 1.088 times 10 to the 3, and 3 minus 6, because I'm dividing, is 1.088 times 10 to the 3rd negative 3 centimeters cubed, because I was subtracting 3 minus 6 is minus 3. For C, I have to go to my base unit first, and I go to meters, and then I go to kilometers. Well, I know that there are 10 to the 9th nanometers in a meter and 10 to the 3rd meters in a kilometer. So 3 minus 9 is minus 6. Minus 3 is minus 9. So the answer is 8.45 times 10 to the minus 9 kilometers. The last one here for number 1 is kilograms to milligrams. Now I'm going in the opposite direction. I have kilograms, they have to be in the bottom so they cancel. Grams and grams in the bottom so that it cancels. And 3 plus 3 plus 3 is 9. So my answer is 5.22 times 10 to the 9th milligrams. So hopefully you're getting much better at these conversions, and they're not too much of a problem, because you will see them again on the assessment. Question number 2 is a density problem where we're solving for volume. I start with my original equation, density is equal to mass divided by volume, and I rearrange it. I undo division by multiplying, then I undo multiplying by dividing, and I end up with this equation. Then I put in my numbers. It's much easier to rearrange an equation with letters than it is putting the numbers in. I'm more likely to make a mistake if I put numbers in. So I like to do this first. Then I put in the numbers. So volume is equal to the mass, which is 1.9 grams, divided by 1.34 grams per centimeter cubed. When I divide by a fraction, I multiply by its reciprocal on top and bottom. In that respect, all of this cancels, and I'm left with 1. Then the grams cancel, and I'm left with centimeters cubed, so that's my final unit in the answer. Then I just divide the numbers, and I come up with 1.4179. I always take the number 4 places after the decimal and cut it off or truncate it. Then I look back at my original problem and find out which number has the least number of significant digits. Well, out of these 2 numbers, 1.9 only has 2 significant digits. So my answer should only have 2 significant digits. So my final answer will be 1.4 centimeters cubed. And that's how we solve for volume. Well, that was some fun, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow. Bye!